Hello viewers, today I'm going to show how to prepare a typical village style KOLI SAARU. So these are the ingredients to make a typical village style KOLI SAARU, that is chicken curry, I have took a fry pan, I've added 1 tablespoon of oil. Now I'm going to do dry roast. I'm going to add all these together. Let it come to light brown. Dry roast ingredients has come to a normal temperature. I'm adding this into the jar. I'm gonna make this a rough powder. As I said before, these ingredients we should make a paste, we should grind. Before grinding this, we want to fry this in oil. I've added 1 tablespoon of oil. Let it come to light brown. Chilies and onion. Now I'm adding tomatoes, mint, coriander, okay, the tomatoes, it has become soft. The fried ingredients has come to normal temperature. Now I'm gonna add all these ingredients into the jar. I'm going to make a fine paste. Both dry roast and the paste is ready. Now let us start to make KOLI SAARU. I took a vessel. I added 3 tablespoons of oil. Now I'm gonna add shallots, 10 to 15 shallots. Shallots has come to light brown. Sanna irulli. Now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, and I am going to add half spoon of salt. Okay. Now I am adding dry roast powder into this. Mix this well. Add chicken into this. Saute it well. Add some turmeric powder. Let it cook for 3 minutes. Now add the paste. Saute it well for 2 minutes in medium flame. Add 300 ml of water. I'm adding some more salt. You can add this as per your taste. I've added 300 to 350 ml of water. Now close the lid. Let it cook well for 20 minutes in a low flame. Viewers, I garnished with coriander. This is very tasty, typical village style KOLI SAARU chicken curry. This curry will be good for rice, dosa, chapati, idli. Please try this at home and let me know the comments. Thank you for watching.